And really nice weather. He made Tampa to Apollo Beach today. The next week, really nice weather. Sunday, I think, is our next rain chance. So let's start with the tropics, or with that, I should say, not the tropics, but we are looking at some very comfortable weather, right? Especially for us this time of the year. Now, in the sunshine, in the afternoons, it does get warm. Right now, temperatures are falling down through the 70s into the 60s. That's the view from the Renaissance Hotel at International Plaza. 76 degrees, pretty good average temperature for most of us right now. We do have the dry air in place. You can see the moisture's down to our south. In fact, they had a couple showers south of the Keys for today, but that's how far you had to go just to see rain. But look, it continues. Now, the yellow and the green you see here coming through, that'll mean a few extra clouds tomorrow and Thursday. And I don't mean a lot of clouds. I mean a few extra compared to what we've seen, which is not a lot, right? So we continue with this really nice weather. Now, as we work our way towards the weekend, Saturday looks good. Saturday night, I think the humidity starts to come up. Sunday, this is Sunday around 6 o'clock. This is the moisture surging in ahead of a cold front. Now, that's not rain, although I think we'll get a couple of showers late Sunday night, but that's just humidity, moisture, a few clouds as well, right? All of the mix, okay? This is Monday evening. The front is pushing through and we're clearing out. And then I think the air back behind that front is actually cooler and drier than the air mass we just had. Now, it's great that it's dry air. The rainy season ended normally around October 10th, and that's almost exactly when we got this first shot of dry air in here last week. But unfortunately, for many of us, the rainy season started in September, or excuse me, the dry season, because 0.7 inches of rain, and that's official for the bucket at Tampa International, but that's put us almost 6 inches below average. That was the driest September on record. So yeah, it got kind of dry near the end, and you can see, look at most of the country, some sort of drought. But look at us here. We have what's called abnormally dry conditions, especially along the coast. But the problem is we're heading into dry season, and we have La Nina that has formed now, which normally in the wintertime for us means warm and dry winter. So we're going to take all the rain that we can get. This is that humidity, basically is the dew point, right? Feels good Saturday. Sunday, you'll wake up, you'll notice the difference. Monday, it's high. Tuesday, that 52 for a dew point, that's lower than what we've seen so far this year. So if that happens, we're going to end up with some really good air. This is Sunday at 9 o'clock. You see just broken showers coming through. It's not a solid line or anything like that. That's Monday 10 a.m. Monday evening, it's out of here, and we are drying things back out. That is our only rain chance between now and really the middle of next week at least. And you can see it's just showing up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is late Sunday, so right now I wouldn't cancel any plans for the weekend. Things are actually looking pretty good. Now, very comfortable overnight tonight. Mid-60s tomorrow morning, dry for the bus stop, for that morning commute. You can see wake-up temperatures close to 59 degrees. Crystal River, Brooksville, Dade City will be 64 in Lakeland to wake up, and 66 in Sarasota. And then by the afternoon, it's lots of sunshine, but again, just a few extra clouds. It's not a lot. It's just a few more than what we have seen. And look at these daytime highs back into the mid and upper 80s. Some of our warm spots will get back up around 88 degrees. That goes for Tampa, but 86 is average for this time of the year. Boating, a little bit of a breeze late in the afternoon. I don't think it's bad. I went 5 to 15 because later, actually closer to sunset, we'll see those 15-knot winds out of the north and the east. 7-day forecast. There you go, guys. Mid to upper 80s for daytime highs. Warm. Not as humid, still feels good, but we'll see a little bit more of that as we get into Sunday with our next chance for rain by Sunday night.